In this video, we will cover the problems associated with the rear quarter window regulators on the 06 to 12 Porsche 911 convertibles. If you have the 99 to 05 Porsche 911, please check out our YouTube channel for the video. We will also provide a link below. We promise if you watch this complete video, you'll not only save hundreds of dollars when replacing your rear quarter window motor regulator, but also receive a part that has the latest modifications available and is backed with our lifetime warranty. Once the regulator has been removed, it should look something like this. The cable has come off the top plastic pulley, and in many cases the lift plate clip has wedged itself against the regulator support bar. This is an example of the damage that can occur when the window switch is used after the regulator failure. As you can see, the cable has wrapped itself around the regulator support, causing damage to the regulator itself. The support has been completely severed from the regulator, and the plastic guide has probably dropped into the regulator pocket, making it very hard to retrieve. In this picture, the cable is wrapped around the spool and the output shaft of the motor, which has caused damage to the faceplate seal, leaving the motor vulnerable to moisture or water intrusion. Here's another example of the damage that can occur after the cable has detached from the lift plate. Keep in mind these are miniature cable winches that can produce a lot of torque and can cause a lot of collateral damage to the assembly. One of the main reasons we don't sell kits is until the motor regulator has been properly evaluated for not only what caused the failure but also secondary damage, it would be impossible to know what parts are needed to complete this repair. Check out our website at windowmotorworld.net for more information on this topic. Over the past 26 years, Window Motor World has literally rebuilt tens of thousands of window motors and regulators. Every day we use a special insight to make critical modifications to OEM parts that meet or exceed today's standards. The way we look at it is we are not only recycling OEM parts, but are also creating a superior product over the factory. We offer our customers a couple of different ways to save a lot of money and end up with a part that is updated with the latest modifications using our exclusive technology. Option 1. You can send in your complete window motor regulator assembly, and within 24 hours after we receive it, we'll rebuild it and ship it back to you. Option 2. You can purchase the in-stock regulator that includes a core deposit. After you complete the installation, just put your used broken part in the box and ship it back to us for the core refund. This option speeds up the downtime of the vehicle. For free tech support and updated pricing and availability, please call 800-252-2649. Our office hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching.